Soda bread, one of the easiest bakes that you can do. It's different to a yeast bread because all of the rising happens inside the oven versus the yeast bread, which the proving happens outside the oven, and then you set the bread. So really simple ingredients. We're using a chemical raising agent, bicarbonate of soda, which means that you have to mix the ingredients quite quickly together and then roast it in the oven, in a preheated oven, fairly quickly. So the oven's preheated. We're going to line our tin with a little bit of oil, not too much, otherwise you tend to fry the bread on the base. So into all of the corners, like this, ready for the bread. A little bit on the top too. And we've got plain flour, okay, so it's got a low protein gluten content, which is really important for a bake. We're also using the addition of wholemeal flour, okay, to give some richness. And also the baking powder needs to go into there to disperse it evenly. So sieve that through. When you sieve the wholemeal flour, you'll find that some of the bran comes away, and that's okay. You can put some of it back in and then keep some for dusting the top. So we also need to add some salt. We've got sea salt, which is best just ground a little bit to disperse it. And then this particular bread is enriched with both pumpkin seeds and also sunflower seeds. Really nutritious. An alternative to this, you could use chocolate drops if you wanted to make a sweet bread, or you could use some herbs if you wanted to make a different type of savoury bread. We've got black treacle for colour and for flavour. You can use a little bit of honey or some brown sugar if you want to. We've got melted butter for richness. And then we have buttermilk. So buttermilk is effectively just a cultured milk. If you haven't got this, you can use some yogurt or some whole milk actually. So just some natural yogurt or some buttermilk. And really, really easy, just mix this together. We've got a scraper here with a curved edge. So as you mix it together, as soon as the baking powder or bicarbonate of soda mixes with the liquid, it will start to release the raising agent, which is gases, effectively. Once you've brought it together, just use your hand just to make it nice and even, disperse the ingredients. And then for our particular size tin, we're just going to trim off a little bit there. So you can use any tin that you've got, slash the top, okay, and then dust with extra salt, black pepper, and the bran from the wholemeal flour, and then straight into the oven.